What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV. We back with another video. This is the video that I forgot to do last time when I got the bag. I don't know why I fumbled the bag on YouTube because a lot of people would want to see that video, but I messed up. And here I am with a second edition because I know it's gonna go up on resale. If you want to know which bag, stay tuned and you'll see. But based off the title, you already know what I'm talking about. But ladies, this video's for you. So let's get right into it. If you're new here, or the females, or maybe, guys as well, I don't judge. So if you're here as well, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 400 plus subs. So let's get it there. Like this video, comment whatever you want, because as well, I respond to all my comments. So show some love in the comment section. I will be responding. Yeah, that's it. Instagram and my main channel, those links will be down below. So go check those out, and let's get right into the video. Let's get it. Alright, so off rip, like I said, this is for sale. So I just have it in the shipping box that it came in. Regular square box that it comes in. It's kind of like the essential clothing they also ship in these type of boxes. See, look. I don't have nothing in here, but this is the essential clothing. This is the Telfar bag. Now, I don't know the name of it right now, but obviously when I post this, I'm going to go look in my email and go back and get the name for it. But I ordered this like last week, and I always say no matter what investing or profit you're going to do, you should do stuff that you know that's going to go up based off terms. So I sold the old one that I had. It was a Telfar UGG collaboration that they did, and it was pretty expensive, the medium-sized bag, and I ended up waiting a couple months, and it did sell. I think I made like 30 bucks on it, 40. I don't know exactly or remember, but I know this colorway, the yellow spring one. All I know is I know for a fact it's gonna go up during springtime because it's a cute colorway. I got a medium-sized bag too, because a small bag is like slim girls usually like small bags. Medium is for different gap. If you're a thick girl, you might want the medium bag. If you're a small, slim girl, you might want a medium bag. So always go with a medium, unless I've been doing good with mediums. But look at the packaging. So Telfar. And then, yeah, 2005, I guess, when they started, New York City. So this is the packaging. It's a Ziploc bag. Mine came a little open, but I didn't know I could take it out, so I am going to show you, ladies, girls, guys, whoever's interested. Let's keep this delicate. So that's a Ziploc bag with Telfar on it. This is the bag, pouch bag, whatever, how it comes. This is black, right? I'm guessing, yeah, black and like a cream colorway. It's like a, a pull-in bag as well. Now, here is the official Telfar bag. Ladies, guys, this is what you've been looking for. It's the medium-sized bag. And hello, guys might be watching this and say, hey, what should I get my girl for Christmas? Christmas passed, but, Valentine's Day, springtime, Easter, her birthday. And trust me, this is balling on a budget. We ain't rich out here. First off, tell your girl that. We ain't rich out here. So, definitely ain't no Birkins getting bought in this time. But bowling on a budget, you could get them a nice little Telfar bag. What did me good, based off if I was like, damn, should I get it for the season? When I went back to try to buy another one, or try to at least look to see if I want one, it was sold out. So if it sells out, that means chances are prices will go up. So this is going to hit during springtime. So this is literally going to be another 2-3 month hold. So Telfar bags, know which bag you may want that's worth the hype, and then buy up. Let's see. We could look a little bit inside. Has that Telfar logo right there, the pouch, and the Ziploc right there across. But I never smelled one of these bags. Yeah, it smells rich. This is the type of bag I'm trying to be in all 2022 in my bag. But yeah. That's how it looks inside, ladies. With the logo on that side. It comes with this Velcro thing, so I'm not going to pull it apart. So it could come designed however you want it, whoever buys it. And yeah, it's a medium-sized bag. It has the tag. It doesn't show how much we paid, but yeah, it's the medium size. Got the logo, same as the plastic bag. And then, yeah. So that goes inside. Let's close it back up. But yeah, that's the medium sized bag. Ladies, what's up? Show love to the video. You see, it's not just sneakers and clothes over here. We still gonna go over some hype stuff for females. So this is the yellow spring bag. I'm gonna call it the spring bag because in springtime, who not gonna want a bright, nice, cute yellow? I mean, that's what I think, and I assume that it will go up. So that's really it, right? So fellas, balling on a budget. Cop your girl a Telfar bag. No girl gonna turn down a Telfar bag because that's the new wave. Trust me. If you didn't know, now you know. It's coming from a wise man that knows about ladies and knows about products, clothes, fashion, and all that stuff. So that's it for me. If you have any questions, ladies, hit the comments. I keep saying ladies because I'm trying to get more girl content. I mean, trying to get more female audiences. But yeah, hit the subscribe button on my way to 400. Trust me, ladies, I look better than this usually with my braids. Trust me. Trust, whatever. Long story short, follow me on Instagram as well. Let me know if you have any personal questions. Ladies, hit that DM. It's always available for the pretty girls on Instagram. Always available. So hit me up on Instagram. Let me know you came from this video. I'm going to do my best to help you out. Maybe we could go on a date. Yeah, and fellas, if you trying to cop, trust me, your girl, if she been acting funny, get her a Telfar bag. She not going to act funny no more. Either way, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep supporting, keep sharing this videos. Yeah, let more people, let more friends, family, all that stuff. Share my videos, share my channel, all that stuff. Let's get more subscribers and more people to join the squad. Also check out that main channel down below, okay? So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Your boy Little Roy's out.